Hello everyone. Today I will demonstrate the most appropriate duck cameras to use by vloggers and content creators depending on specifications. Number 10. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a pocket-sized gimbal camera that is based on a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is quite an improvement over a smaller 1.7-inch sensor of its predecessor. It has a full pixel fast focusing and a 2-inch rotational OLED touchscreen, which instantly changes to horizontal and vertical shooting. Video tops out at 4K resolution at up to 120 FPS, with 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color profiles for more flexible color grading. An inbuilt 3-axis mechanical gimbal provides smooth shots without any electronic crop, and ActiveTrack 6.0 is capable of providing several subject tracking features such as face auto detect. The 1,300 mAh battery is built in and provides approximately 166 minutes of recording at 1080p 24 FPS and charges in only 16 minutes to 80%. A 950 mAh cell can be added with an optional battery handle grip, which extends the runtime by about 62%. Number 9. Insta360 X4. The Insta360 X4 is a 360 action camera housed in dual 1.2-inch sensors with 72 megapixel stills. It has the first 360 camera, Insta360, that records 360 videos at 8K 30 FPS, and has the capability of 5.7K 60 FPS and 4K 100 FPS to shoot slow motion. When in single lens mode, it is also used as a conventional action camera with 4K and 60 FPS recording. Flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock stabilize the footage regardless of the intensity of the movement, and the camera is waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without a housing. The 2,190 mAh battery has a 67% capacity improvement on the previous one, with a capacity of 135 minutes of recording at 5.7K 30 FPS. The design is complete with a 2.5-inch touchscreen with Corning Gorilla Glass, and the Insta360 editing app, which is powered by AI, can be used to refreeze the footage afterwards. Number 8. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black has a 27 megapixel sensor with an aspect ratio of 8.7, which allows the camera to record 16.9, 916 or square footage without physically reorienting the camera. It has a top frame rate of 5.3K at 60 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS, and 2.7K at 240 FPS in slow motion with Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization and auto boost. This model is the first to have HDR video recording and the ability to use Bluetooth earbuds, including AirPods, as a wireless microphone. Its camera uses a 1,720 Sonduro battery, which provides approximately 70 minutes of constant 5.3K 60 FPS recording, which is approximately twice as long as its predecessor. It is waterproof to 33 feet itself, and a new 1/420 thread on the mounting fingers allows it to be more conveniently mounted on tripods. Number 7. Sony ZV-1 II. The Sony ZV-1 II is a pocket-sized vlogging compact with a 21 megapixel 1-inch stacked Exmor RS CMOS sensor with an 1850 mm equivalent f1.84 zoom lens, which is broader than the original ZV-1 lens to enable easier arm-length framing. The stacked sensor allows the blackout-free burst shooting at 24 FPS and slow-motion video at 1000 FPS at a lower resolution. Features that are vlogger-oriented are transferred to Sony. Background defocus, product showcase mode with a smooth transition of focus, and a front-facing tally light. Video goes to 4K at 30 FPS, a fully articulating touchscreen, and a built-in ND filter to control exposure in bright situations. The camera has a USB-C for power delivery to enable long live streaming or webcam time. Number 6. Canon PowerShot V10. Canon PowerShot V10 is a special-purpose vlogging camera designed by Canon, having a unique vertical shape and an inbuilt kickstand which can be tilted to 30 degrees to provide tabletop shots. It has a 1.0 type, 20.1 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, same as the PowerShot G7X Mark III, and a fixed 19mm equivalent f2.8 wide-angle lens. Video recording is 4K at 30 FPS, time crop none, up to approximately an hour, and 1080p at 60 FPS, with a built-in 3-stop ND filter and 14 in-camera color filters. There are dual internal stereo microphones that record high-quality audio, and connections are made via USB-C, micro HDMI, and 3.5mm microphone input. The non-removable battery is estimated to last about 55 minutes of 4K video, or 290 pictures at a time. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix GH6. The Panasonic Lumix GH6 is a video-oriented Micro Four Thirds digital camera that features a new 25.2 megapixel live MOS sensor with dual native ISO and a dynamic range boost feature of more than 13 stops at higher sensitivities. It is capable of recording 5.7K video at 60 FPS with Apple ProRes 422 HQ in camera and 422 HQ at 120 FPS, 10-bit color. The in-body image stabilization is 7.5 stops, and the camera provides 4-channel XLR audio with optional adapter. The GH6 operates with a 2200 mAh and 16 watt battery pack, which has an approximate capacity of 360 stills per charge based on CIPA, or approximately 60 minutes of constant 4K video capture. Dual card slots are CF Express Type B slots that feature a regular SD card slot. Number 4. Sony ZV-10 II. The Sony ZV-10 II is an APS-C mirrorless vlogging camera that is based on a 26-megapixel back-illuminated XMOR RCMOS sensor with the most recent Bionz XR processing unit, borrowed by Sony between the FX30 and 6700 models. The faster sensor readout enables 4K video at 60 FPS with 5.6K oversampling, a significant improvement over its predecessor, which had to crop the sensor to achieve 30 fps in 4K. The camera can take a mount interchangeable lenses, 10-bit log recording and Sony Cinematic Vlog setting, which uses preset looks and moods to give cinematic filming with the minimum of setup. The audio is picked up by a 3-capsule built-in microphone, and the camera uses a high-capacity NPF Z100 battery that supports a maximum of 195 minutes recording time per charge with 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. Number 3. Fujifilm X-S20. The Fujifilm X-S20 is a hybrid mirrorless camera that has a 26.1 megapixel back-illuminated X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and the X-Processor 5 engine. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization provides up to 7.0 stops of compensation, and AI-based subject detection autofocus is also capable of tracking animals, birds, vehicles, etc. Video capability has internal 6.2K recording at 30 FPS and 4K at up to 60 FPS, both in 10-bit color, and has external RAW output through HDMI. The new NP-235 battery of camera increased capacity more than 2 times compared to the previous version, with a capacity of about 750 shots in normal mode, or 800 in economy mode, and approximately 85 minutes of continuous 4K video recording. The mode dial has an extra vlog button that makes it easier to use by content creators, and the body weighs 491 grams. Number 2. Sony A7C II. The Sony A7C II has a full-frame 33-megapixel XMOR RCMOS sensor with a small size and an internal rangefinder-style case, which is powered by the Bionz XR platform and an internal AI processing unit that provides better subject detection autofocus. The in-body image stabilization is at 7.0 stops, which can be used at a slow shutter speed of about 1 second when held in the hands. Video functionality has 10-bit 4K recording up to 60 fps, but 60p is Super 35 APS-C cropped, and 30p is full sensor wide with oversampling. The camera has a Sony NPF Z100 battery with a load capacity of about 530 shots and can be charged using the USB-C power supply in case of longer shooting projects. Maximum continuous shooting is 10 FPS full autofocus and auto exposure tracking. Number 1. Sony ZV-E1. First on the list, the Sony ZV-E1 is the flagship of the Sony vlogging camera and the tiniest, lightest full-frame interchangeable lens camera available at just 483 grams with a battery and card included. It features a 12.1 megapixel full-frame XMOR R sensor of the identical sensor family as the A7S III, which is video-oriented and produces more than 15 stops of dynamic range with very high low-light performance. The increased full-frame sensor also renders significantly less depth of field and more cinematic bokeh as compared to the APS-C's VT10. Video recording attains 4K up to 120 FPS in slow motion, and there are no recording time restrictions due to an enhanced heat-dissipating design. A 5-axis in-body stabilization, use of AI to create automatic frames, and the cinematic vlog setting developed by Sony complete a camera that is created with the needs of solo creators in mind. The large capacity series battery provides about 770 stills or about 95 to 120 minutes of video recording on a single charge.